Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A17 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications, extend the list, and on one of the pages you should see screen recorder or recorder screen as it's called. So once you see this toggle, simply press on it. Gonna need to check this terms of service that we have read and agreed to them. This will open up screen recording panel right here. Now we have image quality. It is set to high, which is recommended, and I do agree with that one. Record sound. Here you can change what kind of sound you will be recording. So we have system, audio, and microphone. Microphone only or system only. Or obviously you can select that you won't be recording any kind of audio. Then you also have the recording in progress, do not disturb. So when you start recording, it just turns on do not disturb mode for that time. And a last thing, we have display touch trajectory, meaning it's weirdly named, but basically what it does is just shows you a semi-transparent gray dot on a recording to signify on that recording where your finger was pressing the display. I'm going to enable it just so you can see how it looks like. And from there, let's just select start screen recording. And it's now recording. So I'm going to just move my finger around here just so you can see that little dot. I'm going to play it back so you will obviously be able to see it way more than right now. Additionally, obviously, if you open up any kind of app, it will be recorded. Now, I'm not going to really load into it, so let's just close that up. There we go. Now, once you're done with your screen recording, interact with this overlay right over here and select the red square. As you can see, file saved, and that file has been saved to your gallery application, or albums as it's called in here. So I'm going to open it up, and it's not going to be visible under photos, so you want to navigate into albums. Here you'll have videos and screen recordings. Both of them have the same file. It just sorted into a couple places just because it fits the category. And now let's play it. So you can see this little dot right here. Now skipping a little bit forward, it looks like when it goes into landscape mode, it still keeps it full screen, which is really nice. So you could technically record it without much of a hassle in whatever orientation, and whatever you open up, all it would just require, if you, for instance, planning to, let's say, record gameplays and upload them somewhere, you just need to literally flip this just so it makes sense and cut it so it removes this portion where you had the screen, and everything should be just great. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.